Hello beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of SHANY makeup brushes with their stunning Artisan Easel Elite Cosmetics makeup brush set, an 18-piece collection that promises to elevate your makeup game. This set includes everything you need, from eyeshadow and foundation brushes to kabuki and contour brushes, all crafted with professional-grade synthetic bristles featuring micro-fine tips and perfectly curved wooden handles. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the set comes with printed brush instructions and a versatile brush pouch that doubles as an upright easel, making it easy to use and store. Plus, SHANY ensures your brushes stay in top shape with their Detox Brush Cleanser Shampoo. Packaged in elegant, gift-ready packaging, this set makes for the perfect present for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because. Designed by professional makeup artists in the USA, these brushes are PETA-friendly, non-toxic, and safe for everyone, from kids to adults. So, why not brush like a pro and experience the artistry of SHANY today? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.